Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 2 of my lipstick declutter. These are all of my bullet lipsticks and it is time to declutter them. It's been so long since I've actually worn one. So yes, let's just get rid of the ones I am not going to wear anymore. So first ones first is the Becca. And this one is in their lightest color of this collection. I honestly don't remember what it's called. I don't have a name on here, but I am going to get rid of it because it's old. And then I have a Milani one, and this one's not even open. This one's in tease, keeping since it's not open. I have this one by Rihanna, and it doesn't even swatch nicely anymore because it's that old. So I am going to get rid of it. I honestly wanted to keep it because of the packaging, but my daughter keeps using it and it's not good for her lips, honestly. So I am going to toss that. And then I have another Milani. I think I wore this one during Valentine's Day. I kind of like it, I kind of don't like it. It's gonna be a maybe. This one is by ColourPop in Gallop. I'm not gonna wear this color ever, so I am going to declutter this one. Okay, next we have a matte lipstick from Revlon, and this one is in If I Want To. I don't think I even wore this one yet, so I'm going to keep this one. I have a KKW lipstick in Nude 2. And it's a very light color. I am going to keep this one. And then I have a Maybelline one. This one is in Rosy Risk. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. Yeah. I don't know why in the camera it looks more neutral, but there's a slight cool tone color to it, and cool tone doesn't really match me that well. Alright, and I have Kylie Cosmetics. I think I'm gonna throw all of these away because she has repackaged everything, and yeah, you can tell how old these are. So I am going to throw that one away. This one's also from Kylie, and yeah, tossing them. I have Aftermath by Dose of Colors. Tossing as well. I'm not gonna wear that color. And then I have this one by Milani, and this one's in Peony. This one's a really pretty color. I'm gonna keep this one. The next one is in Petal. And this one's a really pretty color as well. So I am going to keep this one. I have this one from L'Oreal Paris. And this one is all about pout. Here's that one. I'll keep it for now. I have a Juvia's Place. No, this is not Juvia's Place. This is a Korean brand. And I don't think I've ever worn this color yet. So I am going to keep this one. Okay, I have another Dose of Colors, and this one is in No Shade. I think this one is from the Desi and Katie collection. I'm going to toss this one because it's old. And then I have Nude Lust by Maybelline. This one's really pretty. Not sure if I'm gonna wear it though. I'll just keep it for now. I have this one by L'Oreal, and I forgot what line this was, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it. Honestly, this pink color doesn't really suit me. I'm gonna toss this one. Then I have Electrofield by ColourPop. It's really pretty. I'll keep it for now. I have another Maybelline, and this one is in Flush Punch. I'm not gonna wear it, so I'm gonna toss this one. Another L'Oreal, and this one's their most famous one, Fairest Nude. Very pretty color, and I don't know. I don't really like how these smell, but I'm gonna keep it for now. Then I have a Juvia's Place one. And this one is very pretty. I'm keeping this one. This one is called, here, I cannot pronounce that, so I'm gonna show it in the camera so you guys can go get it if you guys are interested. A MAC lipstick, and this one is in Kinda Sexy. Very pretty color. I'm gonna get rid of it because it's old. It's time to toss it. I have a ColourPop one. And I'm gonna toss this one too because I'm not gonna wear this color. It's really brownish. I don't really match that. This one is in Mall for Me by Maybelline. And I don't think I'm gonna wear it as well. I'm gonna toss that one. Ariel by ColourPop. I used to wear this one a lot. Very pretty. I'm gonna keep this one. Maybelline in Pleasure. I'm sorry, Milani in Pleasure. Very pretty. I'm keeping this one. And then another L'Oreal. This is in 172. Determine. So that one's very pretty as well. So I'm gonna keep this one. My last one that's not even open is Pleasure. So, alright, so I kind of cleaned up a little bit and I want to add these in here. So I'm gonna put this here and I am going to put these along here, that way I can fit them all in there. Okay, I am going to put all of my lip glosses in one place. All gonna go in there. This one needs to go in there. Then I'm gonna put, I think I want to put all of my Dose of Color ones up front. Put that one there. Another lip gloss. And these are my lip liners. I'm gonna put this in my drawer because it would just be easier for me to pick them out. And there you go, guys. This is my new updated lipstick drawer, and I'm very happy how it turned out. Alright, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.